Hi friends, today we will learn how to import total station XYZ point or any GPS point which is recorded from the DGPS or total station or any other instruments to a point shape file in ArcGIS. So first open the ArcGIS, then open the Excel sheet. This is your These the serial number IDs, and this is the X, Y, and this is the elevation, and this is the remark. Okay, and you must save your file as CSV file, comma separated this form, comma delimited or comma delimited CSV UTF this form. In this, I have said CSV comma delimited. Okay, when you will save, then CSV format is created. Now go to the add data. As you can see, point CSV is shown in my screen. Now we will add the data. Right click on the attribute table. As you can see, your all data is imported. This is the field 1, this is the field 2, this is the field 3, this is the X, this is the Y, this is the Z, and this is the remark. Okay. Now right click on the CSV file and display XY data. In this, you have to select the XYZ coordinate. So field 1 is the X, the field 2 is the X, and field 3 is the Y, and field 4 is the Z coordinate. In this, you have to select the projected coordinate system and geographic coordinate system. This is the default, but you have to know this coordinate point is having the which coordinate system. You can easily check your latitude and longitude in any conversion site, and you can check the zone of these survey points. In this, I have no, my zone is 44N. 44N. Okay. Now click OK. This is showing. This is now creating my point vector data. As you can see, your point file is created. This is your point file. This is the total station GPS point which is converted into point file in ArcGIS. In this way, you can import all survey data in this way, and you can also show the labels. It means the what is the elevation of particular point in the screen. Click on the label feature in this and click field 4. Okay, you can also change the font and size. I will make as default and click OK. As you can see, your each point is showing the elevation. In this way, you can import the survey data of total station or DGPS into your ArcGIS software. In this way, after importing these points, you can also create your own data elevation model, and by using this data elevation model, you can create the contours and all, and calculate the different features in ArcGIS. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please share and subscribe for more upcoming videos.